Oh my god. Guys, I did something. Wait. Pangit naman ng lighting. Gumasta ako. Nagpa-nails. Kita ba? Paano ba ito makikita? Kita mo? Hindi siya kita. But it's like, it's very natural. Ano ba yan? I don't know how to vlog. But anyways, it's nice. It's so pretty. In short. And ayun. Bad lighting. Ang pangit ng angle. But whatever. Yon. Tonight, kailangan kong mag-aral for my anthropology class. Kailangan kong magbasa. I need to do my readings. Tapos, ano pa bang kailangan kong gawin? Kailangan kong mag-prepare for my presentation in Panitikan at Lipunan. It's a Filipino subject. Magpe-present lang naman ako. I-report ko yung maikling kwento na at ako'y inanod. Yun. Saan ba ako nakatingin? Dapat pala dito. Ano ba? Yun lang. I think. Yun ang mga kailangan kong i-accomplish. At letter! For the museum. Wait, I need to do that right now. So, yun lang. Guys, bye. Bye.